Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the logical reasoning section. Okay. Good afternoon, Asha, Harshita, Amit, Komalpreet, Prakriti, Dharani. There is another Harshita, I think, Shalini, Chancha, Akshata. Yes, Om, a very good afternoon. Jannavi, Parth, Pratima, Ruhani, Pavitra, Khushi, Apurva. Okay, a very good afternoon to all of you. So let us try to code and decode the number series problems that we get. Okay. In the first few pages in the study material, study module, they have given different types, how, what are the categories. So though that you can read from there. Okay. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to directly attack the exercise, because what happens is that is where you don't have anybody to tell you what the answers are or how that particular answer has come. Okay, so if you have any issues with the first few pages, if there is a solid example that you've not understood, you can easily ask it over here. Okay, and I'll try to my level best to clear those doubts, but as far as possible, my strategy today is to solve as many problems as possible from the given exercise. Okay, so can we start now? Yes. So just check the page numbers, okay, because the modules, you may be having the latest modules. We are starting with the exercise 9A, okay, or the number series problems that we have. Yes, Priyadarshini, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Pavitra, thank you for the emoji. Om, thank you for the decoration. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to try with the first problem. Okay. If possible, in the exam, try to do it here itself. Okay. Here only you find the difference and do. I will show you. Okay. Now the difference between 6 and 11 is what? Plus 5. 11 and 21 plus 10. 21 and 36 plus 15. 36 and 56 plus 20. So what do we have? 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's a table of 5. So I will add plus 25. And then 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 81. 81 is the answer. Okay, this is how you should do in the exam. But I'm going to do it for you over here. Okay. So that whenever you're practicing also, you will be able to do this. Okay. So I have numbers 6, 11, 21, 36, 56, and then there is the question marks. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will show you how the differences come. This is the simplest type where the next number is just an addition of the earlier number with some maybe it's a sequence, like it may be a GP, it may be an AP, whatever. So 6 plus 5, simple. You just look at this. Whenever you're doing sums, this is the simplest one you should try first. If this does not work, then you can go to the next one. Also, a very important hint here I would like to give you is just see how gradually the things are going. Now, in this case, it is 6, 11, 21, 36. So it's a gradual process. Okay. So you can understand that it is increasing. So maybe there is a table involved. If it is sudden jumps, okay, if the jumps are sudden, then it may happen that there is a multiplication involved or there is an exponential involved. Now, since this is a gradual one, so there is an addition, even though there is a multiplication, but there is simply an addition. But if there is a very big jump, in that case, you will have to see whether it's an exponential, whether it is a multiplication of the first with the second term, etc. Okay, we'll be doing all types, don't worry. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 15 is 36. 36 plus 20 is 56. 56 plus, now what do? I don't know this. Okay, this is my question mark, right? Now I can see this is a table of 5. This is a table of 5. So what do I have here? 5, 10, 15, 20. Obviously, I know my table of 5. So I will have 25. Okay. Now, if you could do it directly, fine. Otherwise, initially while practicing, 56 plus 25, you can do on the calculator. 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 81. So C is my correct option. Okay. Clear? First sum, everybody is with me? Yes, Harshita, the class has started. Saloni, good afternoon. Deepika, good afternoon. मनीष जरा देखेंगे क्या यहाँ पे क्लास नहीं शुरू हो रहा है यूट्यूब पे हो गया हाँ 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 don't worry just I'll wait I know this is important Avesh don't worry Saurabh Valmiki yes hello Valmiki Ubad Valmiki okay Gautam yes Gautam the class has started I think now it will clear don't worry Chanchal things they are looking into it I'll just wait for a minute Janvi they're looking into it yes Yamini Asha the ones on the YouTube, please bear with the others. They are looking in at the portal. हाँ हाँ 2 मिनट रुक ले Yes. Okay, now everybody is back. Yes, can you see now? Yes, all clear? Yeah, welcome back. Don't worry, I'll repeat the question. The question is the first question of the exercise. Okay, this is exercise 9A. So we are taking the first question over there. So the numbers are 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. Okay, I'll write it again. Okay, no worries. Good, it happened in the beginning, not in the middle. 6, okay. 6, 11, 21, 36, and 56. Okay. As I was telling you that you have to see how gradual the increase is. If it is very large, okay, then you must think about exponentials, okay? So 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, no? Those type of things. When it is gradual, usually there is an addition involved. In this case, there is addition and a multiplication. There is a table also involved because there is an increase from 6 to 56. It's increasing. And so we will have to just see. So first and foremost, let us see. 11 minus 6 is plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is giving me 11. Then 11 plus 10 is giving me 21. 21 plus 15 is giving me 36. And 36 plus 20 is giving me 56. I know that this is a table of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So obviously 56 plus 25 I should get. So the question that is asked is this. What is this? So this will be 56 plus 25. You can easily do on the calculator. I have shown it to you over here. So answer is 81. Okay. So this is one of the simplest form where there is an addition, but there is a embedded multiplication involved. Okay. Dhruv, Tanvi, Asha. आशा आप आंसर्स चैट बॉक्स में डालेंगे ओके सदाब जॉली yes chanchal komalpreet you can see asha yes answer is correct yes harshita I'm started from the very beginning this was the only sum I had done okay and I was really worried why nobody is answering so now I know the reason okay yes Pooja good afternoon Om there is no theory for this. You know, there are only methods of solving. Number coding is something that there is no you don't have an underlying theory, you don't have an underlying formula. You know that number coding has been done, or even alphabet coding has been done since time immemorial. Because when two countries were at war and they wanted to send a message across to their maybe soldiers or something, always the messages were sent in a code form. That code had to be decoded. So many times, even when the enemy used to capture the messenger who was carrying the message, they were not able to understand. And usually the messenger, he was not involved. He just was a carrier of that message. So he did not know the code. So that is why there is no theory about it. All different types of problems I am trying to cover. Okay. Avesh, now everything has started working? Yes. Yes, Mohammed, it is easy. Yes, all the chapters you have to just keep practicing because in the exam time to try to remember it, you can't mug up. You just have to see the sum and intuitively try to solve it. And it is okay if in the first step you're not able to solve, then try another method. Okay, that is the biggest advantage of logical reasoning section. That those 20 marks you can you can sit over there and try and solve them, and you can get the answers. Okay. Yes, Monish, Reet, Atharva, Sakshi, Vidipta, Akruti. Akruti, it is the exercise after the chapter. Yes, Asha, this chapter is very interesting. Atharva, we have started with the logical reasoning. First chapter in logical reasoning, that is the number coding, decoding, number series. Okay. Welcome, Atharva. Anushka, welcome. Avesh, done. Nishi, good afternoon, Nishi. Okay. The second sum. Okay. So what I was what I was telling the others before you joined was that as far as possible, try to do it here itself. In the exam, it becomes easier. You trying to write down these numbers somewhere else, then there is a possibility that you may make a mistake while writing down. So over here only, if it is possible. Some sums are big, so then in that case you have to write. But as far as possible, try to write it over here and see whether you can get the answer. Okay, so you will save a lot of time, and you have to just keep your calculator ready, because the moment you got the 25 here, you just have to add 56 to the 25 on the calculator. Bust, bingo, you get the answer, right? Yeah. So now we are doing the second sum. For you to be able to see, I am doing it on the plain paper. Now this is 10, 100, 200, and 310. And then there is a question mark. Okay. So 10 plus what gives me 100? 10 plus 90 gives me 100. 100 plus what gives me 200? 100 plus 100 gives me 200. 200 and 310. So 200 plus 110 gives me 310. Okay. So what is the difference here? This is plus 10. What is the difference here? Plus 10. So what should be the difference? Here it should be plus 10. 110 plus 10, you will get 120 over here. Okay. Now this 310 plus 120. 310 plus 120 on the calculator, you get the answer as 430. Okay. What I did was 100 to 100, 10 to 100, 90, 100 to 200, 100, 200 to 310, 110, 310, I don't know, because this is the question mark. So 90, 100. So I'm concentrating here. 90, 100, 110. So what is the difference? 90 plus 10 gives me 100. 100 plus 10 gives me 110. 110 plus 10 gives me 120. So 310 plus 120 will give me 430. Clear? Initially, I'll be a little slow so that everybody is with me, and then we'll go fast. Yes, Komalpreet. Yes, Shreya, Mehak, Asha, Amit. Amit, it is now visible on the app, I think, right? And if it is not, then you can just see on the YouTube and message on the app, okay? But I think now the problem has been solved. Gagan, yes, very good. You can do it yourself. Fine. Saloni, correct. Anushka, correct. Komalpreet, Vidipta, Bhumika, Shoaib, Prayukta, Om, Khushi, Janavi. Sakshi, you did not understand? Chanchal, Akshata, you've understood? Priyadarshini, explain. Question number 1 or this question? Yeah. Okay, this question. So what we have here is, we have the numbers 10. We have the numbers 10, 100, 200, 300, and there is a question mark. I don't know the number, okay? I try to find the difference. So 10 plus 90 gives me 100. That much mathematics everybody knows. 100 plus 100 gives me 200. 200 plus 100 gives me 300, 310, sorry. So 310. Now plus what should come? That will give me this. So this has to come. So now 90 to 100, there is again plus 10. 100 to 110, there is plus 10. So 110 plus 10. So 110 plus 10 will give me how much? It is going to give me 120. Now this 120 I have to add to 310 will give me this answer because this is the case. Okay, I'm finding differences like this. So 300 and this is 430. Okay, 430 minus 310 will give you 120. Okay, let us move to the third sum. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 29, and I don't know. 11 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 17 plus 2, 19 plus 4, plus 2 plus 4. Oh, sorry, this is plus 4. Okay. 13 plus 4. Okay. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 2 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. Now you can see that what is the series? 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So what should come now? Plus 2. Okay. We have 2, 4, 2, 4. What is the difference? 2, 4, 2, 4. So now I must have a difference of 2. So 29 plus 2 gives me 31. 29 plus 2 gives me 31. Okay. So here by mistake they have written this has to be 31. So you'll get this as the answer. Okay. In the exam, that will not be the case. You will get all correct options. Okay. Don't worry. Next sum. The next sum is 6, 12, 21, 33. Okay. Like I was telling you earlier, this is very gradual. 11, 13, 17, 19. So there is a gradual. So there is more of addition. Now let us see over here. Here also there might be something involved. Okay. Let us see how much this is. Okay. Now what is the difference? 12 minus 6. What is the difference? 6. 6 plus 6 gives me 12. 12 plus 9 gives me 21. 21 plus 12 gives me 33. Okay. What is this? This is the table of 3. Okay, 6, 9, 12 comes in the table of 3. So what should I have? I should get plus 15, right? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So what should I have? 33 plus 15, which is equal to 48. Okay, so this number is 48. So D will be the correct answer. Okay. So I hope nobody has a problem till now. Rita explained again. Okay, Monish. Okay, Love is saying same pattern had come in the entrance exam for undergrad. Very good. You were able to do it? No, Dhruv, there is no particular formula. You have to just see and then you have to decide what options you can use. Okay. Okay, Priyadarshini, I'll get this. No, there is a printing mistake. Amit, what you do is you have to again start the app. Okay, close the app and again restart the app. You will be able to see. Okay. Palak, not 33, 31, Prajakta. Yeah, I know. That's why I've told the answer is this way. Yes. Clear? Yes, Reet, now you're clear? Yes, Kushi. Ekdam mast. Yes. Okay, Tanvi is saying clear, Sakshi is saying clear. Now let us go to the fifth sum. Okay. Fifth sum is talking about 2, 5, 9, 14, question mark, 27. Okay. Now what is happening here is, what is the difference? 2 plus 3 gives me 5. 5 plus 4 gives me 9. 9 plus 5 gives me 14. So 3, 4, 5. Let me try this. Let me write this as 6 and let me write this as 7. Okay, because it is 3, 4, 5. Okay, simple addition. So 14 plus 6 is how much? 20. I have to check whether this is correct or not. So 20 plus 7, 27 I'm getting. So 20 is the correct answer. So A will be the correct answer. Okay. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 7 will be 27. So I've got the correct answer. Okay. Let us go to the sixth one. 6, 11, 21, question mark, 56 and 81. What is the difference? 6 plus 5 gives me 11. 11 plus 10 gives me 21. Now I don't know this. 56 and 81. How much is this? 5? 35? No. 25. Yes. So I have 5, 10 and here it is 25. I have 2 plus 10. So 5, 10. So most probably the answer will be plus 15 plus 20. Okay. Because this is what? This is a table of 5. Will this always be true? No, I have to try something. I see what happens with some students is they will just stare at the at the question and then they will expect, "Arey, kahin se answer khud se aa jaye." You have to keep trying, Maybe this time this has worked. Sometimes it may not work. Okay, so okay, fine. This method does not work. I'll put a cross. I will try another method. Okay, but let's see. Okay, so I can see this is 5, this is 10, this is 25. I can see 2 gaps. So I say 5, 10, 15, 20. So let us see. 21 plus 15 is how much? 36. 21 plus 21 plus 15 is 36. Let me see. 36 plus 20. Am I getting 56? Yes, I'm getting. So that means this assumption is correct. So the answer is what? Answer is 36. So B will be the correct answer. Okay. This is 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, and 80. This is difference of 8, difference of 10. Okay, so 10 plus 8 gives me 18. 18 plus 10 gives me 28. 28 plus 12 gives me 40. 40 plus 14 gives me 54. So what table is this? 8, 10, 12, 14. I hope you all know your tables of 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a table of 2. So what will come after this? 16 will come. What will come after that? 18 will come. Okay. Now I will do 56 plus 16. I'm purposely writing this over here because you can easily do on the calculator, but when you're revising, when you're seeing the video again, that time, like if you're stuck in some sum, you can see where I got the number. So 56 plus 16, 2, 5, 6, 7, 72. Oh, 4, 54, sorry. Okay, 54 plus 16 gives me 5, 6, 70. So 70, do I have an option? Yes. Okay. So answer here is 70. Now I have to also check, always it's always a good thing to check. Like I made this mistake of writing 56 instead of 54. So I should check 70 plus 18. Am I getting 88? Yes, I'm getting 88. Read clear, jolly, yes. Yes, jolly answer is correct. Amit, hope you have been able to join. Subiksha. Vidipta, correct. Excellent. I am so happy. So all of you are facing the sums very well and answering so well. It is absolutely amazing. Anushka, great teaching. Everything is clear. Thank you. Yes, Asha, clear. Saloni, Akshata, Prayukta, Kushi, Om. Yes. Let us go on to the next sum. Mehek, correct. Yes, Nishi, very good. Yes. Now see, what is happening here? You have to pay attention. Here, this is an important, you can mark it in your study material also. There is from 120, 99, 63, 48. So what is happening? This is a decreasing thing. Usually all our sums up till now, what we have done are increasing. So what is happening over here? Here there is a decrease. So what can we do? So 120, 99, question mark, 63, 48, 35. Also here the question mark is to earlier. Usually you had the question marks to the end of the series, but here it is happening the opposite way. Now let us see what is the difference between 48 and 35. What is the difference between 48 and 35? It is minus 13. Okay. Minus 13. 63 and 48. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is minus 15. And what is the difference over here? 1. This is minus 21. Okay. So as you can see, minus 21, minus 15, minus 13. So here you can see a difference of 2. So minus 19 can be the answer. 21 plus 2 is minus 19. Minus 19 plus 2 is minus 17. I just have to make this, okay? These are the two numbers I have made this series. This is, as you know, is the arithmetic progression. Minus 21, minus 19, minus 17. Okay. So it's an AP problem. Okay. You can even solve it by the AP, this thing. AP, you have here, you have to find T3. Okay. So you could do it by T3 also. So let us see. So what will happen? 99 minus 19 will give you 9 minus 1, 8. So 80. 80 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now let us try with this thing also, T3. Okay, because this is the third term I want to find out. Okay, let me see if I can solve it with the AP. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? A is 120. N is how much? Third. 1, 2, 3. I want to find 3 minus 1. What is the difference? Okay, the difference is decreasing. Okay, so here I cannot directly use it. So even if you try, like, because that is what a question comes to everybody's mind. Can I directly, how can I just look at it and know whether it's an AP, GP or something like that? So what is happening here is there is a decrease. Okay, the D is not constant, so I cannot use my AP. So it is okay. If you thought it is an AP sum and try to do it, no problem. But if you are able to see this, and you are able to find the difference, then also it is perfectly all right. Okay, so I am showing you. So I started doing, oh my god, D is not constant, so I can't use this method, so I have to use this method only. Clear? So answer D is answer A is 80. Yes, that's what I wanted to show you, that I may feel that this is an AP problem with a common difference which is negative, but it is not so. Okay, it is not directly so. Khushi, why do you say that? Okay. Khushi is asking whether I'm a South Indian, but I'm an Indian, so that is more important, right? Yes. Let us go to the ninth sum. Okay. This is 22, 24, 28, 36, question mark, and 84. Okay. So question mark and 84. What is this difference? This difference is 2. What is this difference? Difference is 4. Difference 36 minus 28. Difference is 8. Now, one more and one more. Can you see this? 2, 4, 8. So now important exponential. Okay. This is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 3. What should I have? 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. So I should have 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So what will come over here? It will be 36 plus 16, which is 52. So what will I get? I will get here as 52. I will always cross check. Now 42 plus 32. So 52 plus 32. How much am I getting? 84. Here also I am getting 84. That means 52 is the correct answer. Okay. All concepts are clear, Ayush? Yes, Neha. Very good. Alia, you like my teaching style? Awesome. Thank you. Yes. Janvi. Janvi, it is 52, not 44. Okay. Now Janvi is saying, I'm from Maharashtra. Let's see. Vidipta. Okay, that is also a question put to everyone. Tell me from which state I belong. Vidipta, Very good. Bhumika, Prakriti, Amar, Komalpreet, Khushi. Avesh, it is not a GP also, okay? This is not a GP also. Okay, earlier some you were saying. Okay, here, yes, this is the GP. साक्षी ऐसे ही सम आएंगे, आप आराम से ही पास होंगे, बस पढ़ाई करने की देरी है, बस ठीक है. Okay, Om, just I'll see. Okay. Okay, next sum. Now the 10th sum is talking. This is a little tricky sum. Okay. So it is 48, 32, 5840, 6848, and 7856. Now, and how did I find out? I have tried the sum many times and then I have got the answer. Okay. So it is the same thing for everyone. Can you see here? This is 48, this is 58, this is 68, this is 78. Because this is a huge sum. Had I found out the difference, I would not have got the answer. So I am doing this 58, 48, 58, 68, and 78. Okay, this is 1. So what is the difference? Difference of 10, 58 to 68, difference of 10, 68 to 78, difference of 10. So what will come over here? Again, difference of 10. So I have got the first two numbers, 78 plus 10, that is 88. Okay. So that is done. Now, what is this? This is 32, 40, 48, 56. What is the difference between 32 and 40? The difference is 8. The difference is 8. 40 to 48, difference is again 8. 48 to 56, difference is 8. So 56 to what? Again, difference is 8. 56 plus 8. So 56 plus 8 gives me 64. 64. And that was 78 plus 10 gave me 88. So number is 8864. 8864. So this will be the answer. Also be very, very careful. Okay, sometimes I may make this mistake. Okay, because I have 8864 and I see 8846, I may make a mistake. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to be very careful about. Okay, because I tried to solve it in another way, but I was not getting the answer. So I have used this method. Then I start looking at 2 numbers, 3 numbers from in the bigger number. Okay. Komalpreet, yes, you can do it that way also. Priyadarshini, you could do it that way also. But I find this is easier because again I have to take and subtract. Okay. Anjali saying she can't make out which state I belong. Yes, Nishi has said it perfectly. This question is like हाथी के दांत दिखाने की कुछ और है, खाने की कुछ और है. Yes. Okay, you can do it with the AP sum also. Okay, no problem. Yes, you were adding. Very nice, Monish. So you could do it that way also. You can find the difference. Common difference is how much? 1008. Okay. Sometimes, it is intuition. Here what I did was, I could easily, I don't have to use the calculator. I can do it orally, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88. 32, 40, 48, 56, just 56 plus 4. 56 plus 8. Otherwise, every time you to take those 4 digit, subtract another 4 digit. So that is also perfectly all right. It is just a matter of saving some seconds. Now the next question, this 11th is same as second question. Okay, same as question number 2. Okay, now let us see. This is 28, 33, 31, 36, 34, and question. Now in this question, you will notice here there is an increase, and after that there is a decrease. Again an increase, again an decrease. Okay. How much is this increase? This is plus 5. How much is this decrease? Minus 2. This increase plus 5. 31 plus 5 gives me 36. This decrease minus 2. Now what should come? Plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. Again it will be plus 5. Okay. 34 plus 5. 39 will be the answer. Okay. So even it is not necessary that your series will be increasing only or decreasing only. You can have like this also. Actually, this is a combination of two series, two APs, 28, 31, 34, and 33, 36. So what will come over here? Here also difference is 3, here also difference is 3, here also difference is 3, 39. Okay. So it's up to you. Like you could do it this way or this way. The n number of methods, some of you may have developed some other method also to solve this sum. Yes. So actually, no, those are once you've understood the method, na, so the size of the number will not matter. Asha, it's okay. You can use another method, but you found my method easier? Fine, very good. Okay. Lavya, thank you. Lavya. Okay. Yes, Asha, correct. Polobi, Prakriti, Sakshi, Anushka, Mehak, Leeladhar. Yes. Leeladhar, okay, you've reached the 15th sum. Yeah. Now next sum is 120, 80, 40, 45, question mark, 15. Okay. Why I have written in different colors is, see, what happens here is you see 40 and 45. As you can see, 120, 80, 40. Then you have an increase of 45. Then again, there is a decrease to 15. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, we are going to group it. So this is 120, 80, 40, one group. 45-15 will be another group, and so on. So we're going to group 3 numbers together. Why we have done that? Okay, we'll just see and I'll tell you. So 120 and 80, what is the difference? 40. 80 and 40, what is the difference? 40. Can you see the difference is constant? So this should give me a constant difference and this should give me a constant difference. Okay. Now what is the difference? 45 minus 15. What is the difference? This is 30. Right? And there are two differences. So 30 upon 2, difference is 15. So I should have a difference 15 here. I should have a difference 15 here. 45 and this is minus, okay? 45 minus 15, answer is 30. 30 minus 15, answer will be 15. So what is the answer? 30 is the answer. Okay. Here what I have done is I have grouped the numbers. Why? Because it was decreasing 120, 80 and 40, and then it is increasing to 45 and again decreasing. That means what? There are two different series or sequences that are going on. Okay. Now in the 17th sum, please note that the series, instead of 48, you have to take 49. Okay. Instead of the 48, there is a misprint, so it is 49. That is in question number 17. Let us go to question number 14. Nishi, very good. Vidipta, Tiladhar, Harshita, Komalpreet. Yes, very good. Saloni, Om, Khushi, Sakshi, Chanchal, Anushka. Sakshi, you can always visit the YouTube, okay, and then you can get. Okay, no problem. Anushka says all clear. Now 14th sum. This is 2, 15, 41, 80, 132. Okay. From 2, it is going to 132. From 2, it is going to 132. Now, what is the difference? 2 plus 13 gives me 15. 15 plus 26 gives me 41. 41 plus 39 gives me 80. 80 for 52 gives me 132. And 30 plus what? So this is what? This is table of 13. Table of 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, and 13 fives are 65. 135 plus 65, because all these are positive numbers. So I get 7, 197. So D will be the correct answer. Okay. So D will be the correct answer. Okay. 15th sum. 6, 17, 39, question mark, 116. What is the difference? 6 plus 11 gives me 17. 17 plus 22 gives me 39. 39 plus 33 will give me something. And then 44 should give me 116. So 39 plus 33 gives me 72. Now I have to cross check. This is cross check. 72 plus 44. So this is 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 116, which is correct. So what is the answer? 72. Okay. Now 16th sum. 1, 4, 10, 22, question mark, 94. One plus 3, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 12, 22 plus something, and this plus something. Okay. Now plus 3. Now you can see 3 into 2 is 6. Let me take another color. I can see this difference. It is rising 3, 6, 12. So what is the relation between 3, 6, 12? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So what should I have here? 12 into 2, which should be equal to 24 plus 24. And what should happen? 24 into 2, which is equal to 48. Now 24, 22 plus 24, 46. So if I have 46 over here, 46 plus 48 gives me how much? 46. This is my cross checking. 46 plus 48 gives me 94, which is the correct number in the series. So what is my answer? Answer is 46. So A will be the correct answer. Okay. Oh my God. Sneha, thank you so much. You've written such a beautiful message. I just wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for all that you do for us. Your dedication, passion, and energy are truly inspiring, and I feel so fortunate to have you as my teacher. Sneha has written, oh God, you have helped me in so many ways, and I'm forever grateful for your guidance and support. You're most welcome. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to our education and for your tireless effort to help us succeed. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are a truly amazing teacher, and I feel so lucky to have the opportunity to learn from you. Same here, same feelings, you students make me go, and I would like, I keep with every batch, I want to give my utter best, utter best. So, it's really, thank you for acknowledging. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Suryansh, you could do solve that sum with that method also. Okay, no problem. Yes, Khushi, Lavya, Komalpreet, yes. Okay, Leeladhar, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 12 is 22. Now, what is the relation between 3, 6 and 12? 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, and so 12 twos are 24. We are taking now the difference to be 24. 22 plus 24 gives me 46. Okay. Yes, Nishi, I have repeated. Hope you have understood. Till here, I can see that there is a difference of 3, 6, and 12. Again, I have to see what is the relation. 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So now this step is very important. I now take 12 twos are 24. That means what? The difference has to be 24. So 24 plus 22 is 46. 46 plus 48 gives me 94. Yes. Yes, Prayukta, you also think so? Thank you so much. Avesh, thank you. Anushka is saying all true, whatever she's written. Asha, yes. Ma'am, you are the best teacher. Thank you. Now let us go to question number 17 and then we will take a break after that. One or two more sums because we started late. So we are taking the break late. Okay. 4, 9, 25, 48, 169, 289 and 361. Okay. Let me see what the difference is. This is, how much is this? Plus 5. What is this difference? 25, that is 16. Okay. Then what do I have? Oh. Okay, 17th, yes, sorry. That is why I was not getting. The question here is incorrect. This is 49. So the moment you see this, okay, the moment you see this, you don't have to find the differences because you recognize what series this is. Yes, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, dash square, this is 13 square, this is 17 square, and it is 19 square. Okay. So 2, 3, 5, 7, then 13, 17, 19. Okay. Yes. 289, 17 square. Is that correct? Here is my calculator. 17 into 17. What am I getting? 289. Now, see what is happening. This is 2 square, but all the other numbers are odd. So just forget about this. Just let us think from here. 3, 5, 7. Ideally, I would have liked to have 9 square and 11 square, then 13 square, then here 15 square, and so on. But that is not the case. So what is happening here is this is a series of square numbers. Now, out of the option, is 120 a perfect square? Check. Okay. Check whether perfect square. Okay. You have to check whether it's a perfect square. Yes. So, which of this is 120 is not a perfect square? 122 is not, 164 is not. So 121 is a perfect square. So I will write 121. So this will be the correct option. Okay. So sometimes looking at the solutions, you have to form a judgment of the answer. Okay. Because what we need here is a perfect square. Okay. This is a question for perfect square. Okay. Now, why we have not also in this option, why we don't have 9 square and why do we not have 15 square? That is also one question. So it is a perfect square of prime numbers. Okay. Okay. So that is why we have 2, 3, 5, 7 and we don't have 9. You have 11, then 13, 17 and 19. Okay. So that is why we don't have 9 square, we don't have 15 square. So there also you have, like here, the answer is in layers. Okay. First layer is what? The numbers are perfect squares. Second layer is what? All of these numbers are prime numbers. Okay. And so you get this answer. Okay. Last sum before the break. 4, 12, 36, dash and 324. What is this difference? This difference is 8. What is this difference? 14. This difference and this difference. Okay. So what do I have? No, 24. So now I don't know. And I have to see these options and then I will make a judgment. Okay, so now here what do I have is the third layer here is this. 8 into 3 is 24, right? Now, can you see that the numbers are jumping, big numbers, from 4 to 12, 12 to 36. From 36, there is one landing and then it is 324. So there is a possibility that these numbers are being multiplied. So we may have here 24 into 3, which is equal to 72. And 72 into 3, which is equal to 216. I have to check. Okay. Now, how much is 36 plus 72? How much is 36 plus 72? Answer is 108. Now, 108 plus 216 gives me how much? 324. Yes, which is correct. So number is 108. Okay. I repeat the 18th question. Here, what is happening here is I have 4, 12, 36 dash 324. So there is some multiplication involved or an exponential number involved. Now, difference of 4 and 12 is 8. 12 and 36 is 24. And then what is the relation between 8 and 24? 8 threes are 24. You can even find the difference. The difference is 16. But as you see, the number is going from 4 to 324. I suspect that there is some multiplication involved. Okay. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये multiplication वाला problem है. So 8 threes are 24. Then I go to 24 threes are and I try to find out the answer. And when I cross check, okay, so this is cross checking of the answer. I find that I'm getting the correct answer. So the answer is 108. Okay. Yes, Khushi, we are taking a break. Yes, yes. You can't here in this case can't ignore 2 square also because it is a prime number. But in case you missed it out, okay, I'm just saying if you can quickly see that these are all prime numbers, fine. That is the best thing that can happen. But if you still don't see it, you just have to see whether it is square. And in the option only one is a perfect square. Okay, and that is why we have taken. Yes, yes, completely agree with you. Suryansh, you have to see because see, most of the time, like my study module may be a little old. That's why I don't tell the page number. This is exercise A below your number systems. Okay, number series. Hope that helps. Yes, Sakshi, you have to multiply by 3 here. Yes. Yes, completely agree. This is a GP 24 because 12 divided by 4 is 3. 36 divided by 12 is also 3. Okay. So x divided by 36 should be equal to 3. So x will be 36 into 3, which is equal to 108. Whichever method you are comfortable with. So you have to identify this is a GP. Okay. If not, this is also one method. What happens here is this is the best thing that is happening is there are n number of ways in which you can calculate this. Yes, yes, perfectly all right. You can say 4 threes are 12, 36 in 12 threes are, okay, 12 threes are 36. So now 36 into 3. Why I always show this method is sometimes because when I'm practicing, I tend to use addition subtraction more. So what happens is even then you will get the answer. This this GP is correct. This is also correct. So whichever method you can use to get the final answer and get those elusive marks, that is the best thing that can happen. I will look into this in the break. Okay, exercise. Okay. Yes. Break ले ले. Yes. Okay. Welcome back. Okay. So now we are doing the 19th sum. Now here what happens is you have 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, question mark, 16 and 64. Okay. Now what is happening here is, again I can see there is some relation going on here. Okay. I can see 4, 8. And then 8 and 9, there is a difference of 1. Here there is a difference of 4. Then 16, 64. I don't think this is a addition subtraction series, number series. Okay. So I do what? I try to make them into pairs because I find some relation must be there. What is the relation between 16 and 64? Okay. 16 and 64. Do you remember where you can get 16? 4 square is 16 and 4 cube is 64, right? What about here? This is 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Let us see for 1. 1 square is also 1, 1 cube is also 1. So I can see 1 square, 1 cube, 2 square, 2 cube, and 3 I already know. 3 square is 9. So I say that 3 cube is 27. Okay, and that is why 27 is the correct answer, right? Yes, everybody is with me now. Yes, let us go to the next sum. And you can always, you can always see the videos again. Okay. Yes, very good. So many of you have answered correctly. Now 5760, 960, 192, question mark, 16 and 8. Can you see there is a very big drop from 5760 to where are you there at 8? Okay. So there now means if it is a rise, what we say, there is a multiplication. When there is a drop, we will talk about division. So 16 upon what will give you 8? 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Let us see. 5760 upon 960. How much do I get? 5760 divided by 960 gives me 6. Okay, it's giving me 6. Then 960 upon 192. 960 divided by 192 giving me how much? 5. And 192 divided by something will give me what? This I've written over here. Let me just shift it. Okay, 16 divided by 8 is 2. Now this is my x. So x divided by 16 will give me how much? Now see, you can see 6, 5. So what will come over here? You should get a 4 here, you should get a 3 here and 2. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 192 divided by something is giving me 4. So 192 upon 4 gives me how much? 192 divided by 4 gives me 48. And let me cross check. 48 divided by 16, I know, is 3, right? So this is correct. So what that means is x should be how much? It should be 48. So B will be the correct answer. Yes. How did I come to that conclusion? This is because there is a very big drop. Yes. Yash, Mohammed, Saloni, division, yes. Akruti, correct. Vinaya, very good. Yash, Kushi, Palak, Apurva, Anushka. Yes. Yes, Anjali, you've completed. Gautam has also completed. Akshata, Amar, Apurva, Chanchal, Sakshi. Okay. Yes, Asha, crystal clear. Thank you. Vikas. Vikas, why are you running? We are walking still. Okay. I'm going to explain. Don't worry. Next sum. 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66, something, and 201. Okay. Again, I try to find out whether I can make the pairs. Okay. 2, 3s are 6, 7, 3s are 21, 22, 3s are 66, something, 3s are giving me 201. So this means 201 divided by 3, which is equal to 67. So a number should here be 67. 67 into 3 will give me 201. So C will be the correct answer. Okay. So what we have done, we just found the groups. 22, 48, 24, 96, question mark, and 192. Okay. Now what is happening here? What is this? There is some relation. What can the relation be? Here there is a drop, then there is a rise. So I suspect, okay, I'm not very sure, but I feel, what is the relation 48 and 96 into 2? 48 into 2 is 96. 96 and 192. 96 into 2 gives me 192. Fine. So what can the relation be? I have these options. So let me try into 2. If it does not work, I will try something else. Okay. So there is no hard fast rule that if this is true, this also has to be true. But there is a vibe that there is a multiplication. So 48, 96, 192. So this gives me 48. Okay. So 22 answer will be 48. Okay. So 24 2s are 48. Clear? 23rd. 165, 195, 255, 285, don't know, 375. Can you see that this is again come back to the gradual increase? So most probably it will be an addition subtraction sum. So 165, 195 plus 30. This is how much? 255 and 195. 255 minus 195. 60. Okay. Plus 60. This is plus 30. So 30, 60, 30. What should there be? It should be plus 60. So 285 plus 60. 345, right? Now I need to cross check because this is plus 30. 345 plus 30 gives me 375. Okay, so then there is a little gradual increase. Then over here between 13 and 39, there is something else happening. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so that we try to, okay, this is again, I can either make groups of 2 or make groups of 3. So this is 2, 3, 3, 5, 10, 13, 39, this thing, and 177, 172, 177. Okay, so what is the difference? 2, 3 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 2, 10, 13 plus 3, and I don't know this, and 172, 177 plus 5. So what should the difference be over here? What should the difference be over here? It should be plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 39 plus 4, 43. 39 plus 4, 43. So C will be the correct answer. Is that clear? Harshini? Okay, you're getting the answer now? Yes, everybody? Yeah. Right? So you have got the answer. That's excellent work. Abhishek, Om, Harshini. Asha, crystal clear. Saloni clear. Akshata Singh clear. Okay. What happened here is that I have got a set of numbers where I can see there is a gradual rise, but the numbers themselves are not looking interconnected. Okay. Because I can see 2, 3, 3, 5, 10, 13. Okay. So 2, 3, 3, 5. What is it trying to say? Are there two series over here? But then after 10, 13 and 13, 39. So again, there is a rise of 26. And then suddenly it is 172. That just meant that either there is a group of 2, 3, 4, numbers are grouped, and then there is um, certain thing that we want to see what is the common, what is the pattern in that. So here what we see is that the pattern is we are taking numbers in pairs, and then we find the difference, and that difference is a simple AP. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now hopefully you are able to see this. 23rd, Asha, 23rd, what happened in 23rd? Let's just simply in 23rd, 165, 195 plus 30, 195 plus 60 is 255. 255 plus 30 is 285. So obviously this is 30, 60, 30. So the next has to be plus 60. So 285 plus 60, you are getting this. Yes, Om, crystal clear? Yes. Asha, hope you've got it. Yash, correct. Liladhar, very nice. So we have done the 24th. Let us move to the 25th. Now 25th. 7, 26, 63, 214. Okay, so this is not 214, this is 124. Okay, just make sure that you're making the change. 124, 215 dash and 511. Okay. Now what is happening here? This is 7, this is 26. So it is nearing 5 square something. 63 means 4 square something. Then 124 means 5 square something. Okay. So I feel that this is a question which is either about cubes or squares. Okay. So let me try this. Okay. Now again, I can see this to be, this is 7. Okay, so I'm writing 7. I'll just write it over here. 7 is equal to 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 26. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 1. Now 64. 63. Okay. Earlier, I had thought that it will be something related to square. But 7 when I get, it is 8 minus 1. Okay, it is not 4 plus 3 because that also is not happening. 4 plus 3 is 7. But then 27 again, I am not able to get any square. So 63 is 4 cube minus 1. 124 will be equal to 5 cube minus 1. 215 is equal to 6 cube minus 1. Then something, I don't know, will be equal to, this is equal to 7 cube minus 1. And then I need to cross check whether what I'm doing is correct or not. I will see 8 cube minus 1. How much is 8 cube minus 1? How much is 8 cube? 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 8 is 512. So it is 512 minus 1, which is equal to 511. This is correct. So that means this is correct. How much is 7 cube? 7 into 7, 49 into 7, 343. 343 minus 1. So I must get 342. So A will be the correct answer. 342. I know this is a little tricky, but as you keep doing it. Yes, Priyanka, you could do that. 24th sum, you could do that. Twenty-fourth, how can you write 1 into 1 is 1? 2 into 2 is 4, right? So that will not work. Okay, Janvi is saying the chapter is interesting because of me. Because the sums are good. Okay. No, yes, see, after the material is developed, it is goes to the printer. Okay. So obviously printer, they have people in place who will look into it. But sometimes when we find out the mistake, we just inform the institute and then the institute makes those correction. These are more of printing errors rather than any logical errors. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next we do 26. This is 3, 7, 15, 31, question mark, 1, 27. Okay. Now you can see 3 and 7, they appear to be related because 3 twos are 6 and 7 is very near. 7 and 15, 7 twos are 14 and it is related. 15, 31. Okay, so here just looking at those numbers, things start popping up into your head. So what we have here is 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now 7 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 15. 15 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 31. Ideally, what should it be? 31 into 2 plus 1. 31 into 2 is 62 plus 1. So this is equal to 63. Let us cross check. 63 into 1 plus 1. 63 into 2 plus 1. 63 twos are 126 plus 1, which is equal to 127. Correct? So, what should my answer be? My answer should be 63. Crystal clear, Om? Yes, Akruti is saying yes. Komalpreet is saying yes. Okay. Now, what I will do is after this 27 to 20 to 30, this is similar to this type of sums. So, I will not do them right now. I will try to cover all types of sums. So, this is another type of sum that we are going to look into. Okay. So, pay attention. I will explain. Now, up till now, what we are dealing with were only numbers. Now, we are going to go in for alphanumeric coding. Okay. Alphanumeric means what? Alphabets and numbers. Now, you all know that there are 26 alphabets. I hope everybody knows that. So we have 26 alphabets. The numbering of these alphabets, if I say one is A is 1, B is 2, so what will happen? Z will be equal to 26. Always remember when you have this type of sums, you should always remember this midpoint that O is 15. Okay. Then you can also remember that J is 10 and that T is 20. And usually you can remember R is 18. But at least 2, 3 in between you have to remember so that when you're counting, you are counting from that number. If I ask you what is M, you should not start with A is 1, so 1, 2, 3. You should not do that, okay? You should know that J is 10. So from J, you count till M, okay? So J is 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so that way it should happen. So that will save time. It is not necessary that you do it that way, but it is better. Because then what happens is, why I'm telling you this practically, sometimes this is already given to you in the paper, but it is on the earlier page, and then every time you have to flip the page to see, array, what is the value for M? But if you already know that O is 15, then you could do that. And when you're talking of M, you can start with J. When you're talking of U, you can start with T. Okay, that is the only hint I want to give you. That will lessen the amount of time you take to come to the answer, and there is lesser chance of you making a mistake because you can easily count on your fingers. Everything can't be done on the calculator. The more you're able to calculate with your mind, the more time you save. Okay, so that is one way of saying that A is equal to 1. So this becomes your ascending series. Also, it may be possible that you put A is equal to 26, and then this is going to be a decreasing series. So A is 1. So what will happen? Z is equal to 1. So you may have in that case, then you may remember that if it is the decreasing, so J is 17. J is either 10 or J is 17. O is either 15 or O is either 12. R is either 18 or R is either 9. And then T is either 20 or T is 7. Not necessary that you remember all of them, but at least O, if you remember, then it gives you a steady point. If you're good at remembering numbers, then you can even do the other thing. So these are sums which are based on alphanumeric. Okay. So have you understood this numbers that are given to the alphabets? Yes, Janvi, usually it is given. Okay. Yes, the hint is useful. Good Akruti. Let us try to do them. Okay. Now I have, okay. See, once you start doing, once you keep practicing, okay, it's not enough that you do it once, you do it in the month of July and in the December exam, one day before you open and then you don't remember anything. You must practice logical reasoning, you should, and it's so mind refreshing thing, you can always do that. And you can even go on the internet and give all those mock tests of all the banking exams, clerical, SBI, probationary officer, everywhere you will have this logical reasoning. Okay, now let us see. In a certain language, Madras is coded as MADRAS. Is coded as NBESBT. How will Delhi be coded? Now what I do is, I see M is coded as N. Where is M? M is coded as N. A is coded as B. So A is coded as B. D is coded as E. D is coded as E. R is coded as S. R is coded as S. A is again B. S is coded as T. S is coded as T. So what that means is coding, what is the code? Next alphabet. What is the code here? It is that you are going to choose the next alphabet. It is always better that you do for all the alphabets or all the numbers that are given, because it may happen that for the first three there is a different code and for the next three letters there may be a different code. So we don't want to take that risk. Now D, what is the alphabet after D? After D it is E. So it is E. E, what is the letter after E? D, it is E. I'm trying to write Delhi in a code. E, it is F. So E, it is F. L, it is M. H, it is I. And I, it will be J. Okay. Write it more neatly than I have. Okay. D, E, L, H, I. Okay. E, F, M, I, J. E, F, M, I, J. So B will be the correct answer. Have you all understood this? Absolutely clear, Ruhani? Now you're able to understand? Good, good, good. Enjoying the chapter, Anjali? Yes, Akruti, you also started feeling that mathematics is a good subject. Excellent. That is what I want to achieve. Priyanka? Okay, Priyanka, I will see. Okay, definitely see. Okay, so now Raman is written as RAMAN is written as 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. And Dinesh is written as 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 9. Then what will HAMAM? Hamam sabun. Hamam sabun कैसे लिखेंगे? Now see, you can do it by the method that we already done. But when two codes are given, usually what is asked will you can always find from these two words itself. Okay. So when two words in the codes are given, so you can do that. So let us see. Now H, do I have a H? Yes, I do have a H. What is H? H is 9. So I will write 9. A is what? A is 2. A is 2. M is what? M is 3. M is 3. A is what? Again 2. M is again 3. So 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. Please be very, very careful because all the numbers are very similar. Okay. So just be careful what you're getting the answer. Only that you should tick mark. Okay. So 9, 3, 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is something I want you to pay attention to. Okay. This one is a little typical one. Okay. So now you have RET is written as 6720. Then green would be written as how much? 6720. Now this is something that takes time. So don't worry, we will do this in a proper way. Now what is the number for R? R I know is 80. 80. 80. What is the number for E? E is 5. And what is D? D is 4. D is 4. Now what happens here is, like this it is 1854, but my answer is not that way. So what I do is I am going to write this in the opposite direction. I'm going to write this as 4, 5 and 18. Okay. 4, 5 and 18. So I have R is 18, E is 5, D is 4. But 1854 and this number is 6720. So how did I make out that I have to write it in the reverse order? Because what is happening is I'm using that number, I'm not getting the answer. 1854 and 6720. There is a lot of difference. Okay. So I have written this number. Now, but here I have 6, here I have 7, and here I have 20. So 6 and 4, what is the difference? 6 and 4 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is giving me 4. So that means 4 plus 2 gives me 6. 5 plus 2 gives me 7. And 18 plus 2 gives me 20. Okay, so 6720, I have deciphered what RED is standing as 6720, how that 6720 came. I first wrote down what each alphabet number, what is the number for each alphabet. So R is 18, E is 5, D is 4. Okay. And then I reversed the order. And to that reversal, I have added this. Okay. So the important step here is this. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay. Why? Because see, once I reverse the order, first I got 1854. Then I reversed the order, I got 4518, but still it was not equal to 4720. Okay, so what I have done, I have just added 2 to each of these elements. So this is 9, 4, 5, 1, 8. So it is not 18, but it is 18. Okay, it is 18. Now let us see. I will try to write down the numbers. Green G stands 7, R is 18, E is 5, E is 5, N is how much? N is 40. N is 14. I have to write it in the reverse order. So it is 14, 5, 5, 18 and 7. Okay. What have we to do? We have to add 2 to each of them. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and plus 2. So how much will I get? This is 16, this is 7, this is 7, this is 20 and this is 9. 1677209. 1677209. Okay. Rohit, Leeladhar, Raj Pratikshit, Raj Parikshit. Yes, I will take the sum next time. Okay, don't worry. I have noted it. Yes, because this is also very important. So I want you to understand. Pallavi, 33rd. Okay, 1677209 will be the answer. Okay. Crystal clear? Yes, very good. Now, 34th. If A is 1, so they are saying that this is what you must follow. Fat is equal to 27. Faith is equal to how much? Okay. So, F, A, T. Okay, they have already told me that A stands for 1. So, A is 1. F is how much? F is 6. T is how much? T is 20. I add them up. What will I get? 6 plus 1? 7, 20 plus 20, this is 27. So this is tallies with what is given. Now I have to find out faith. I already have faith, but still I have to find the number associated with faith. Okay. So F I already know is 6. A I already know is 1. T I already know is 20. What is the value for I? I is 9. And what is for H? H is 8. So when I add them up, how much will I get? 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 20 plus 8. 44. So A will be the correct answer. Understood? Okay. Now, as I told you earlier also, when two codes are given, third code becomes very easy to calculate. So I'll just quickly do this. BROTHER. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Okay. See, in the option also you can see 254, 254. And then here it is 245, 252. So what is happening for the third, you have to be careful. Third is BR. R stands for R. The number is 4. So do I have here 4? So this is incorrect. Do I have 4 here? No, this is also incorrect. So what is happening? Only 2 are remaining. 2 options are there. Okay, from where I have to find the answer. Then fourth letter is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is B. BORB. So B and B are same. So 2 and 2. So 2 and 2, here also same, here also same. Then you have 8. 8 is also same. Then second last number. Second last is R. Second last is R. So R is, I know, is 4. So here R is 4. Here what is happening? It is taken as 9. So that is not correct. So A is correct. Okay. So here sometimes you don't even have to do everything. What you have to do, you have to see the options, eliminate the options which you know are incorrect. Because see, what is happening over here? Here, second letter itself is, second number is 4. Here, what is 4? 4 stands for R. But we have what? We have O. So O is the third letter here. O has the value 5. So that is why you are eliminating these two. Okay. And so you have A and B. So here R is correct. 2, 4. 4 is O. Okay. O stands for 5. Okay. Yes, this is incorrect. 4, 5. It should be 5, 4. Okay. So that is why this is incorrect. Similarly here, now you have Calicut, CAL, CAL. What is CAL? 825. So this is not there, this is not there, 825. CAL, CAL, 825. So this is the correct answer. You don't even have to do anything about it because you need what? You need the numbers correct. So CAL, 36. Just let me check the answer. Yes, 825. Okay. So sometimes you don't have to even do everything because Calicut is so near, the wording is so near Calcutta. So CAL is common. So here obviously 52 and 59 is out of question. Then 825 and 854. But here CAL is same as CAL. So this is the shortcut. You don't have to do the calculations. If clock is coded as this and time is coded as this, what will be motel? Okay. So MOTEL. What is a symbol? TEL. M. Where do I have M? Here. This is the third letter is M. So third alpha number will be 7. Yes, everybody is starting with 7. O. Third letter here is O. 1, 2, 3. So this is 2. T. Time T. So this 8. E. Last. So this is 9. And L. L. Here this is the second. Second is 4. 72894. 72894. So you will have A as the correct option. Okay. One more type I think I wanted to show you. Let me check. Okay, in question number 40, this is 54610, not 310. So it is 610. Okay, this also is one type of question. Up till now, we were doing like coding alphabets. Now here, they've already given you the code and asking you to find out what the numbers are. The numbers are given and you are asked to find the alphabets. Okay, so this is a different type. So LOSE is 1357. So means L has the number 1, or we'll do it the other way around. One means L, 3 means O, 5 means S, 7 means E, then 2 means gain, G, 4 means A, 6 means I, and 8 means N. Okay. So what do 8, 2, 1, 4, 6. 8 I can easily, once I write this now, it becomes very easy. This is N. 2 is what? G. 1 is L. 4 is A. And 6 is I. N-G-L-A-I. N-G-L-A-I. Okay. Then 42nd. Let me take 42nd. Okay. Now G-O-L-D is written as I-Q-N-F. How will W-I-N-D be written as? Okay. E-F-G-H-I-O-P-Q-L-M-N-D-E-F. Okay, so what this means is the coding will be one letter, and there will be a gap of one letter. So W, X, I, J, M, N, O, D, E. So what will the code be? Y, J, K, M, N, O, P, E, F. Y, K, P, F. Y, K, P, F will be the answer. Okay. 43 is similar to that. 47, take 47. Okay, let us take 47. So one I will take, don't worry. Yes, very good. Everybody is answering very well. So D-E-L-H-I. How will you code Bombay? This is C-C-I-D-D. Okay. This sum is unique because usually once I have a code for E, say E is 5, then every time E will be 5. But here it is not happening this way. What is happening? C to D, I am going +1. C to E, I am going +2. C, D. No, not +1. It's just 0, no? There is no gap, right? After C, you get D, so there is +0. C to E, there is a gap of 1. What is the alphabet? That alphabet is D. C, D, E. I to L, I have J, K. So this is +2 alphabets. Okay. D to H, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G. So that is +3. D to I, E, F, G, H. So this is +4. Okay. So Bombay will be what? +0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. So A to B, A to B, then O, M, N, O. So M, N, O. So A, M. So only one is there with O, A, M. So you will have this as the answer. Okay. So here very clearly, even though you may feel that the answer is giving me like it is a lengthy one, but here immediately just you have to calculate 2 and then you will get the answer. So B is the correct answer. Yes. And similarly, you should be able to solve them. Okay. Okay, here also, this 50th question also, the numbers in each are codified. So 184632 is what? 1 stands for M. Okay. 8 stands for D. 4 stands for B. M, D, B. M, D. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is also not the answer. So this will be the answer. So, but you have to be just careful that you are doing it correctly. M, 8 stands for D and 4 stands for B. Okay, that variation. Okay, this also sum 51. So 256 means you are good. 637 means we are bad. What is the common word between these two? R is common. What is the common number? 6 is the common number. So R is represented by 6. Then 358 means good and bad. Good and bad. Where is the sentence good? Here. 256. You are good. Okay. I will write the pairs of sentences. Okay. From this, what did I get? I got what is the value of R. What I'm going to get over here? What is the number for good? So what is a common number? 5. So goods is written as 5. Even though what they've asked is and, but I'm showing you whatever they may ask you, you should be able to solve it. So good and bad. So now what is happening? Bad is the common because and I have only once. I've got good twice. I've got R twice. Okay. So 637 we are bad and 358 good and bad. Okay, so 6 I know means R. Now 5, what is happening? Bad. What is the number for bad? Common number is 3. So 3 is bad. So what is the number for good? Good is 5. So what is remaining is 8. 3 is bad, 5 is good, so 8. So and this and is represented by 8. So C will be the correct answer. Okay. Where is this 27 sum? What happened in the 27 sum? Okay. What is happening here? 28 and 28, 8. Find this relation. 116 divided by 8 is how much? 14.5. So what does it mean? There is some addition. 8 threes are 24. 28 threes are how much? 28 into 3 is how much? Into 3 is 84. So 28 into 4. 112 plus 4. Okay, so 28 into 4. Now here 8 into 3, 24 plus 4 gives me 28. 28 into 4 is how much? 28 into 4 is how much? 112 plus 4 gives me 116. 116 into 5 is how much? 116 into 5 is 580 plus 4 gives me 584. 584 into 6. 584 into 6. 3504 plus 4 is 3508. So D will be the correct answer. Okay. All of you who had asked this question. Yes, Janavi, you have the music class. Even I have a music class. Yes, but my class is at 7 o'clock. Okay. Yes, everybody is now understood this. So just you have to be open. Don't get frustrated. Don't get demotivated if you don't get the answer in the first step. Doesn't matter. The more you try, the more you will become expert in this type of things. Okay. So you will be able to do the sums. Okay. Priyanka, we are already like we have 20 minutes we have exceeded. So let us stop here. I will try to cover up in the chapter when if I don't know whether directions has been allotted to me. If it is allotted, that time I'll be able to take up. Okay, perfectly clear? Yes, Om, thank you. Janavi, thank you. Yes. All of you have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patient hearing.